Hey everyone, welcome back to Ride by VIP. This is about an exciting trip I had been in the month of December 2022, ride to Munnar. So from Hyderabad, I started off on day one to Bangalore, stayed overnight at my in-laws' place, and day two I started off from Bangalore at 5 a.m. It was raining heavily, so couldn't record much early in the morning. Once the rain stopped, I took out my camera and fixed it. It was a pleasant ride. As you can see, the roads are wet, the clouds are slowly moving away, and sun is shining bright. So this trip I had planned for 2 weeks, out of which 5 days I'll be in Munnar. I'm planning to cover up all the places in and around Munnar. I booked a stay in Zostel, which I felt it's good for the solo travelers. The ride so far has been good, with a lot of cool breeze hitting me. Because of the early morning rains, my gloves are totally drenched. I'm wearing the rain liner, so my jacket and rain pants are safe, and my boots are anyway waterproof, so not an issue. Let's see how the journey goes. Excited to be. This was one of my bucket list to travel solo on my bike. I bought my bike in 2021. Since then I was planning to travel solo, but couldn't get time. I traveled couple of long drives, couple of long rides with my friends. Apart from that, I didn't get proper time to travel solo. This has been the perfect dream location. I took a temporary break from my work, kind of sabbatical leave for 3 months. So from November 2022 till Jan 2023, I took leave. I had been planning for a couple of rides. November I went for Goa trip with my friends and a couple of other small rides. And December I had planned for this Munnar trip. And perfect weather for the Munnar trip, because December will be pretty cold in the hill station. About my sabbatical, I have been planning from quite some time. It didn't happen in one night. It took time, like almost 2 months. I had discussion at home with my wife. like what all expenses we have, how much savings we have, so that we can cover up the expenses during these 3 months, because I'll be on LOP. But I needed this break because I was exhausted with the work. Finally, we came to a conclusion, yeah, this is doable, and took a decision of taking the leave. Turns out that was the best decision, one of the best decision I have ever taken. 3 months leave. November 1st, 2022, I started off with my leaves. And the first trip was Goa. How best can it be? I know it's not easy thing for everyone to do, but once in a while, do take a break. Because of the day-to-day work we do, we tend to forget things and will not care about our health. We don't work out. We sit in front of the laptops, do work for more than 8 to 10 hours. I know most of them go beyond that also. But trust me, that will have an impact as you age further. Even I was skeptical taking this leave. Like, there were so many ifs and buts. But once I took it, trust me, I was the happiest man in this world. I was skeptical to share this in the video, but it's okay. It's about my personal life. It matters to me. If I'm okay with it, I can share it. I know everyone has their own limitations. Everyone has their own dependencies at home, like EMIs and other things, healthcare, all those things. But at some point of time, you should take care of yourself as well. In foreign countries and all, this is like normal thing. People do take some time off and go on trips and all those things. But I haven't seen much in India. There might be cases where people would be taking, but I haven't come across any of my friends or relatives taking that kind of time off. I hope if you're seeing this video, you will make an attempt to take some time off and spend time for yourself. It will really change the inner happiness and all, the peace of mind, that will change your health in a way you will not imagine. Trust me, before this leaves, I used to have a lot of hair fall. It might sound funny, but yeah, I used to have a lot of hair fall. But trust me, after this leave, that has reduced a lot. I'm not sure, I feel it is because I was less stressed for those 3 months. I would say zero stress. My family has been a great support. My wife, my parents, they understood my situation and they were supportive enough. I didn't tell my parents till the day I started my leaves. They were also shocked when I said I am taking LOP for 3 months. They were like, what, any issues happened at office? What happened all of a sudden? What is this decision and all those things? But I convinced them, I told them nothing happened, do something related to, I wanted to take some time off, that's it, nothing else. My father was tensed for a couple of weeks, seeing me being at home, doing nothing. Generally, during work from home, I take out my laptop, do work, take calls and all those things. But during this time, I was sitting idle, having some good time, planning for my trips. He was feeling a bit scared, but yeah, gradually he understood. I told him nothing to worry about. I'll be resuming back after 3 months. Anyway, first 2 days are commute days. First day Hyderabad to Bangalore, second day Bangalore to Palakkad. As you can see, I reached Coimbatore, Palakkad road, and I switched off my GoPro and removed it because Kerala has rules. You cannot mount the GoPro on your helmet and record. So that's why I kept my GoPro inside. I hope you like this video. This is the first time I'm giving a voiceover. I wanted to share my feelings, how it was an exciting trip. Hope you like it. Next couple of videos will be exploration in the Munnar. I've been to some awesome places, non-touristy places, I would say, not the crowded ones usually the tourists go. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends who need some time off. Do subscribe to the channel for some exciting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.